The SIM1 not allowed error on your T-Mobile Android phone, especially Samsung Galaxy models, means your phone's IMEI isn't recognized by T-Mobile. This is often due to a carrier lock, unpaid bills, or activation issues. A carrier lock prevents you from using SIM cards from other networks. Your phone's IMEI is a unique 15-digit identifier. T-Mobile uses it to check if your phone is compatible, not blacklisted like stolen devices, and eligible for activation. As of October 2025, T-Mobile has upgraded its IMEI checking system with GSMA's device check and requires two-factor authentication to prevent SIM swapping scams. First, ensure your phone is T-Mobile compatible and unlocked. If locked, contact T-Mobile for an unlock code after fulfilling your contract. Next, check your IMEI by dialing 6. Use T-Mobile's app or website to confirm your IMEI isn't blacklisted. Make sure to activate your SIM card by inserting it, powering on your phone, connecting to Wi-Fi, and running the activation wizard or using the T-Mobile app. If problems persist, double-check your APN settings. The correct setting is apn.tmobile.com. T-Mobile support now prioritizes new purchase cases. If you are still having issues, contact support via chat or call. You may need to flash the phone with Samsung's Odin tool and reactivate via T-Mobile's portal. This highlights the need for OEM involvement in carrier-specific fixes.